agus fáilte go dtí clár Jai, Programme 10 of Now You're Talking. So chlár seo, in this programme, we're going to look at the vocabulary needed to ask and answer questions about marriage and family. You'll also see that in Irish, counting people is slightly different to counting things. The Irish word clan means family or descendants, and if you wanted to ask someone if they had any children, you'd say, well, clánlagat. Have you any children? Well, clánlagat. Let's watch a few examples of these questions being asked. Well, clánlagat, have you got any children? And, well, tu pásta, are you married?
Gaeilge. Gaeilge. Well, clánlagat.
And well, clánlagat.
Can you matort?
Maini candrasa.
Call to the honey.
Allaharna.
What to pasta?
Eiling, Jimmer Tatu. Go mai agus tú hen. Go mai. Well, the pasta.
Let's watch those again.
Gaeilge. Gaeilge. Well, clánlagat.
And well, clánlagat.
Can you matort?
Maini candrasa.
Call to the honey.
Allaharna.
What to pasta?
Eiling, Jimmer Tatu. Go mai agus tú hen. Go mai. Well, the pasta.
Well, to pasta. Are you married? Well, to pasta. Well, clánlagat. Have you got any children? Well, clánlagat.
The usual answers to those questions are probably already familiar to you. Well, tu pásta. Tá, if you are married, and níl, if you're not. Another useful answer is níl go fáil, not yet. We'll have a look at those scenes again, and this time the answers are included. Tá, níl, or níl go fáil.
Gaeilge. Gaeilge. Well, clánlagat.
Yeah. And well, clánlagat.
Tá.
Can you matort?
Maini candrasa.
Call to the honey.
Allaharna.
What to pasta?
Níl.
Eiling, Jimmer Tatu. Go mai agus tú hen. Go mai. Well, the pasta. Tá. Well, clánlagat. Níl go fáil.
Níl go fáil. Not yet. Níl go fáil.
If you want to say that you have no children, the phrase is níl clán bíthagam. I've no children. Níl clán bíthagam. Or níl clán bíthagan. We have no children. Níl clán bíthagan. Let's watch a few scenes where those phrases are used.
Gaeilge. While at sample.
Níl wai gur mai gut. Níl clán bíag.
O ceartleo.
A seo? No, a seo.
Well, níl clán bíogan.
Gaeilge.
Slán.
Yeah, hecit don drama.
Agus na pléistí.
Níl pléistí bíogan.
Got chicky.
Gaeilge.
Did you pick out the word páistí, children? The word for child is páiste, and the plural is páistí. Let's watch them again.
Gaeilge. While at sample.
Níl wai gur mai gut. Níl clán bíag.
O ceartleo.
A seo? No, a seo.
Well, níl clán bíogan.
Gaeilge.
Slán.
Yeah, hecit don drama.
Agus na pléistí.
Páistí. Children. Páistí. Níl páistí bíthagan. We have no children. Níl páistí bíthagan. Níl clán bíthagan. We have no children. Níl clán bíthagan. Níl clán bíthagam. I have no children. Níl clánar bíthagam.
We're going to look now at how to count people, which is slightly different to counting things, remember. So watch carefully.
Duine, 1 person. Birch, 2 people. Truer, 3 people. Catter, 4 people. Quidger, 5 people. Shesher, 6 people. Shachter, 7 people. Octor, 8 people. Neener, 9 people. Jenner, 10 people.
Now let's see what's happening in Ballamore. Look out for Lone and You, lunch today, Kaved Dinye, how many people, Manley, midday, and Hidla Dibran, the 1st of April.
Hello and Brasserie. Sha, Lone and You. Kivage dinner. Janor. Eglahan ye hin. Magaljor. Slam.
De Niro! Connor! Come on to golf.
That should be.
While a cup of coffee.
Gaeilge.
Manley. Gaeilge. Gaeilge. Martha. Abran. Gaeilge. And she had lad Abran. Amadan Abran. April Fool. Smoichy. Smoichy.
Hello and Brasserie. Sha, Lone and You. Carwin ye hin. Kivage dinner. Octor. Magaljor, Mr. Murphy. Slam. Octor. Murphy's Law is full of Gaeilge.
Hello? And Brasserie?
Yes?
And well Gaeilge.
Ta. Ta bagan Gaeilge agam.
Ta mar geri Lone.
Magaljor, Kjent ham.
Carwin ye hien.
Dinna wine e carwin ye hin.
Fan bommacha. Ta clan agam.
Do you want lunch for the fat? Well, ta giri Lone than clan foster?
Oh, ta clan war agam.
Clan war?
Vi ma pasta tree huye. And digging to, I was married 3 times. Agus ta tree clan agam. Well, past you agad hain.
Neil.
Well, to pasta.
Anish, and Lone shot.
Tan brasserie yw'r trecho. Sbel yma.
Yn brasserie. Cyn lanw.
Gaeilge.
Gaeilge. Ni fi'n sian y gwybr yr anini.
Oh, sha. 4 from the first marriage, 6 from the second marriage, and 9 from the third marriage. Muriel and myself. Shin Catter, agus Shesher, agus Neener, agus Muriel, agus me hain.
She's a hen? Oh my God. How am I going to manage?
Amadan Abran.
Come on, let's get.
April Fool.
Shan. Shan. You're just the person I need. I'm very heavily booked for lunch today. Do me a favour and I'll give you tomorrow off.
Walter den Ire?
Ha.
Gaeilge.
Céhéan táimid an Ibrin inis.
Shan doesn't know who's ended up as the April Fool, Ahmed and Ibrahim. Let's watch it again.
Sin Catter, agus Shisher, agus Ninger, agus Muriel, agus Mayhain.
Sure is a hen. Oh my God. How am I going to manage?
Táimid an Ibrin.
Come on, let's get.
April Fool.
Shan, you're just the person I need. I'm very heavily booked for lunch today. Do me a favour and I'll give you tomorrow off.
Walter den Ire?
Ha.
Gaeilge.
Céhéan táimid an Ibrin inis.
So, well, clonugad is what you say when asking one person if they have children. However, when speaking to more than one person, a couple for example, you say, well, clonugad. Ugad becomes ugav when speaking to more than one person. You can use pashti instead of clon. Let's look at a few examples.
Pat a Guinness for the hall.
Agus bhfuil poisttí agah.
Níl go fáil.
Well, clonagad. Níl go fáil.
Let's watch those scenes again.
Pat a Guinness for the hall.
Agus bhfuil poisttí agah.
Níl go fáil.
Well, clonagad.
Well, clonagad. Do you have any children? When speaking to more than one person. Well, clonagad. Well, poistíagad. Do you have any children? When speaking to more than one person. Well, poistíagad.
We listen now to the Connacht and Munster versions of Níl Clonar Bíhagan and Níl Gafoil.
Well, Clonaghy.
Níl ein chlánain.
Níl fós.
Well, clonagad.
Níl le clonagad. Agus si féin.
Níl fós.
Ardwacha, Armagh. Ard is the Irish for height, so Ardwacha means the height of Macha. I'll tell you later who Macha was, but first we look at some other words with a similar meaning to Ard. Ban is a peak, Mullach is a summit, Tullach is a little hill, and Cruach can be a hill or a mountain, but it's also used to describe stacks of hay or turf. Look out for them in the following place names while I go to the top of this famous Mullach. Mullach Moor, Big Summit. Cruach Fadrig, St. Patrick's Rick. And Vinvarab, the Harsh Peak. Tullach Ruin, Ruins Hillock. Tullach War, Big Hill. This is Arwenwacha, the legendary seat of the kings of Ulster. There are many stories about how it got its name, but they're all connected to Queen Macha, a legendary warrior queen of Ulster. She also gave her name to Ardwacha. One of the stories tells that she traced out the plans for this fort with her brooch, and the old Irish word for brooch is Owen. Owen Wacha, the brooch of Macha. On a clear day you can see Slieve Gullion, Slieve Mish and the Sperrins from this spot. So far in this programme, you've learned will tú pásta, are you married? Will clánagad, have you got any children? Or if you're speaking to more than one person, will clánagah, níl clánar bíhagan, we don't have any children. In the following scenes, you'll hear Tá masúla páiste, I'm expecting a child. Have a look at these examples.
Well, clánagad. Níl go fáil, tá masúla páiste.
Oh, galanta. Well, páiste agad.
Níl go fáil, tá masúla páiste.
Oh, cúgáide has.
Gur maigad.
Fadrid, tá masúla páiste.
Gaeilge has a Frederick.
Gur mai go dheachtaí.
Did you notice the last word there, cógáirdeas, congratulations? Let's watch those again.
Well, clánagad. Níl go fáil, tá masúla páiste.
Oh, galanta. Well, páiste agad.
Níl go fáil, tá masúla páiste.
Oh, cúgáide has.
Gur maigad.
Fadrid, tá masúla páiste.
Tá masúla páiste. I'm expecting a child. Tá masúla páiste. Gaeilge has. Congratulations. Gaeilge has.
Before moving on, let's have a look again at counting people from 1 to 10.
Duine, 1 person. Birch, 2 people. Trúr, 3 people. Catter, 4 people. Cuidir, 5 people. Shesher, 6 people. Shachter, 7 people. Octor, 8 people. Neener, 9 people. Jenner, 10 people.
Now, if you wanted to be more specific, for example, if you wanted to say that you had 2 boys and 3 girls, the Irish for boy is buchal and the plural is buchali. The Irish for girl is Colleen and the plural is Colleen. Have a look at these examples.
Well, páiste agad.
Tá, Colleen Joanne agus trúr buchailí.
Agus a bhfuil clánagah.
Tá, Cahar Colleen.
Cibhéad páiste tugad?
Chuigur buchailí. Agus tú hen.
Colleen Joanne.
Agus bhfuil páistí agad.
Tá, Bert Wooley agus Bert Colleen. You may have noticed that after Birch, Buchali and Colleen take a shavu. Bert Wuhali, Bert Colleen. You'll find more information about this in the workbook. We'll have a look at those examples again, and this time you try and say the answer before the people in the scenes do.
Well, páiste agad.
Tá, Colleen Joanne agus trúr buchailí.
Agus a bhfuil clánagah.
Tá, Cahar Colleen.
Cibhéad páiste tugad?
Chuigur buchailí. Agus tú hen.
Colleen Joanne.
Agus bhfuil páistí agad.
Tá, Bert Wooley agus Bert Colleen.
Bert Colleen, 2 girls. Bert Colleen. Cuidir buchailí, 5 boys. Cuidir buchailí. Colleen Joanne, 1 girl. Colleen Joanne. Bert Wooley, 2 boys. Bert Wooley.
Let's return to Ballamore and see what's happening there.
Fabla seo, Mr. Blair. Cos a Deirdre.
Deirdre?
Deirdre Blair. Cailín Hean Hammond.
It's me.
Agus sí hosin seo, Mrs. Blair. Ar bhailh deoch?
Brandy, le a hall.
Agus brandy dúsa fásta.
Cad go leor.
Well, Mr. Blair, De Niro, amad an ibran?
Is scéal fadaí.
Tan tám agam.
A scale fada é. It's a long story. Tan tam ogum, says Imelda. I've got the time. Have another look.
Well, Mr. Blair, De Niro, amad an ibran?
Is scéal fadaí.
Tan tám agam.
Hanula, tan cavalry seo.
Buíochas le dia. Aber hello le Mr. and Mrs. Blair.
Tá siad an seo? Ní sin Mrs. Blair.
Cé hí?
Níl sagam. Go fáil.
Well, Sinead on chláir seo. Next time, we'll talk about the days of the week and discuss having been places. So until then, go dtí sin, slán go fáil.
In this episode of Now You're Talking, you heard Will to Pasta,
Well, clán agad.
Pwesti,
Well, clán agah.
Níl Clán ar Bíthagam,
Níl clán ar bíthagainn.
Níl go fáil,
Tá masúile páiste.
Cógáirde has,
Dunne,
Birch,
trúr,
Cather,
cuigar,
Shusher,
seachtar,
Octar,
níonar,
Genúr,
Cailín amháin,
Birch Chalíní,
Birch Mhóthailí.